All right, hello everybody, and welcome to our distance learning adventure. I hope everyone's doing well, keeping safe. Um, yeah, first day back after spring break, and we'll see how it goes. I've reorganized the Google Classroom a little bit. In this video, I just wanted to do a quick little talk about expectations for working from home and what to do, what this is going to look like. So here under the distance learning section, under classwork, get ready to work from home. So there's a document there. Basically, set up a work environment, right? Get a quiet space for you to work. Get your computer set up. Hopefully you all have access to a computer. Make sure you install Visual Studio Code. Get a microphone and webcam for video calls. The biggest thing that I'm hoping over this time is you guys can work independently, but if you have questions, right, we'll figure out a process for how you can ask questions. And then yeah, I can talk to you, share my screen with you so I can demo code, that kind of stuff. A webcam isn't necessary, but a microphone would be great for us to talk back and forth. If you don't have a microphone, maybe we can work something for calling in on your phone. We'll see. Okay, and also create a GitHub account if you haven't already done so. GitHub will probably be the best way to share code. Put your stuff on GitHub, and then I can access your code from there and download it onto my machine. Okay, so get that all ready to go. Once you're ready to work from home, I just wanted you to complete a little survey here. A bunch of people have done it already. Just some questions. Share your GitHub username with me. Do you have any questions? Are you set up with everything? That kind of stuff. And then I have a document, what to work on. Okay, so what is the goal here? The goal is we're going to just do the basics. Okay, and for you guys, this will be a lot easier because you've done a lot of the basics already. So I just want to make sure you've done everything from introduction to programming, right? Just this section here, make sure you've done everything. If you've finished everything already, which most of you have, and you have it all at school and you don't have it on your computer, I don't expect you to redo it all, right? Just review this stuff, make sure you're familiar with it. Okay, if you haven't finished it, get it done. And then I was going to give you an assignment on a simulator. So here it is, Tim Hortons Roll Up the Rim assignment. Very similar to the Mario Kart and the Minecraft fishing ones. Allow the user to enter what province they live in, British Columbia, Alberta, and Saskatchewan. And based on what province they live in, they get different probabilities for what kind of prize they get when they roll up the rim. Right? Allow the user to simulate once, 5 times, until the grand prize is won, until 500 donuts. And then turn your work into GitHub. Okay, so that's kind of the goal, is that simulator. All right, so finish off these activities, do that assignment. Now for the project. Okay, a lot of you have started a project already, but some of you have access to your code, some of you don't. It's at school still. So I decided I want everyone just to do a simple website project. Okay, a 3-page website, a welcome page, an about page, and a quiz page. Okay, again, I said this is the basics, right? Get the welcome page done, make it look nice, have an about page with some information about your topic, anything you want, something you're interested in. And then the quiz page will be a JavaScript quiz, right? Have some questions, hit the mark quiz button just like you kind of did on your created quiz assignment. Okay, I'll mark you on functionality, appearance, and good looking code. And that is the basics. That's it that I need you to do. I don't want to overwhelm you with computing science stuff. I know you've got other courses as well. So this should be the basics. But if you want to do more, feel free to do the web graphics and animation, right, from the website, and that project with all the extra stuff. We'll hopefully answer questions on that too and do some more advanced things if you're interested. Okay, but for sure, this is the minimum. Get this stuff done, and then if you want to continue on with this stuff and do your own creations, and I encourage you to continue programming. Okay, that's it. There'll be some things to get used to, I'm sure. I'm really curious how helping you online is going to work, but I think we can do it. Okay, take care, everyone, and see you later.